On November 8th, it is so important that you get out and vote. I saw a poll today that we're tied. It can't be a possibility. We got it. You've got to get out and vote. We're going to make it so strong. We are going to have a policy of America first. We are going to make our country strong again. We are going to make our country great again. You are going to be proud of your president, but more importantly, you're going to be more proud than ever before of your country. We are going to make America great again. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.